There's a little bit of moisture. That's all that I'm seeing that's left. And that could just be from...
Happy Saturday and good morning. I have someone that just showed up here. We're going to be getting Andrew's. There he is. We'll be getting Andrew's carpet drop fixed here. That, after our Moab trip, we had that flooding.
Needs some tender love and care.
So we have some, what is this called here again? This matting that you brought?
Oh, I think it's a combination of insulation and noise dampening.
Oh, the sound deadening material. If you check out our Moab video from very muddy Moab Thanksgiving, when Andrew's truck here got stuck on, what was it?
It was Willow Springs. There was a big mud puddle.
But we got everything out, as you saw in that video.
No mold. The battery was shorting for a few days, but after it dried out a little bit, that subsided.
So we're going to get started on this and get everything out. All right, so good thing, all the good things considered here, we've done this before. What we're looking at inside here.
I say we start by removing these large bolts for the seats. Thing that's looking down here.
Let me get over here. All right. So what we? Okay. So the seat just came up, and now we have on the bottom here all these sensors.
Let's go on your seat.
All right. Car seats out. All right. So next steps we're doing is pretty much prying up all this plastic along the sill here. That will allow us to lift it all up and get below there.
Now we have to remove the seat belt
right here.
We're out. Nice. Pins over here. We should be able to convince the carpet to come out of here. There wasn't actually a lot we could do back here. Like, we kind of just had to pull as much as we could and lift this up with it. So here's our area of mud, and you can see that there's still quite a bit of that dust left over. I mean, there's a little bit of moisture right here. That's all that I'm seeing that's left, and that could just be from...
That is
the extent of our mold, but I guess it makes sense because this is the only area that was like, I mean, look at these little pockets. Like, that's the only area where it could possibly have been sealed. What do you know? Well, we disinfect, we clean, we repair, we're good.
Yep. Yikes. Yeah, I mean, that's always the concern, right? Once you get one mold spore in, then it's keeping them at bay.
Let's get after it.
All right, we're gonna get all this cleaned up and hopefully not find any more mold. So in the effect of PPE and making sure that we don't breathe in any mold spores as we're starting to disturb some of this and any dust or any other chemicals, we're gonna go pick up some masks at an auto store just a couple blocks over. We'll be right back. Okay, we are masked up now, and we're going to start scrubbing away here. Just have to loosen up all the dirt. We're going to vacuum it.
It's fun how much these tools are universal among some of these disciplines, because we use, in my world, we use these brass brushes to clean the nozzles of 3D printers. Shop towels?
Oh, and right, that was one thing we were talking about when we were walking to get these masks, is Andrew is suggesting that it's probably best to stick with as little moisture as possible. So looking at using the mold cleaner and
a couple rounds of vacuuming, scraping.
Looking good though.
Still, like, there's your difference.
Coming out, yeah.
And I granted a lot of that's probably just the moisture that's making it darker, but still. Someone in the comments can tell me if this is overkill. You're gonna pound your chest and bite your nails tonight. You're gonna try to act like you don't care at all this time. Ooh. You're gonna make some trouble now to give me something I can cry about before you try to get free. Better listen to me.
Alright, so Andrew just finished vacuuming and cleaning everything in there with the carpet cleaner.
So much better.
So nice.
Yeah, we drew a smiley face in it with the little roller. But, yeah, I'll probably give it another shampoo at some point, but for now, this is as good as I think we're going to get today. Time to torque the seatbelt bolt. Perfect.
Plus.
We are good to go. Now we put the seat back in.
This feels like it wants to go right here.
Back out you come. I guess we'll start with the front. Find out what remote
So they won't bounce.
Good stuff. I think we're done, honestly.